Good morning, guys. Good morning. So the market is opening negative, so that is a good sign for us. So let's see if it having any change of character. So then we can focus on downtrend. So do not enter into short trades. So this might be a trap also. So Friday markets will have high premium. So stay positive. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Like and watch. So the market is opening bearish. So but the bank nifty is opening at the same levels, 46,000. So let's see if we have any change of character. So we can focus on downtrend. So do not enter into any trades before 10:30 a.m. because the market will be more volatile today. Today is Friday and the premiums also will be on the higher side. So there will be huge premiums today. Okay, so trade carefully today. The market left more liquidity on the sell side, so it might try to collect those sell side liquidities today. So let's see. Before it collecting, it gives a signal, guys. So do not enter into short trades. Okay, so we will post you on the Telegram. Okay, so do follow our Telegram channel for live updates. Good morning, Sagar. Good morning. So do you hold any PE positions, overnight position? Yeah, the market is started. We have a demand zone here. Let's see how it is reacting. So do not take any trades, guys, until 10:30. The market will be more volatile. Okay, so wait for the market to give some structure. Okay, after that we can enter into any trades. Like and watch, guys. Like and watch. Do follow our Telegram channel. So I'll paste the Telegram channel link on the description. So wait for the market to give some structure. Okay, do not enter into any trades now. So save your capital. Today premiums will be higher outside. Okay, so save your capital. So wait for the market to give some structure. So before collecting the liquidity, it will always gives you the signal which side it is going to move. Okay, so wait for a structure to form in the market. Do not take any trades now. You could see Nifty is moving downside, but Bank Nifty is moving upside. So stay careful, guys. Wait for the market to give some structure. Bank Nifty is moving in upside direction, but Nifty is moving in downside. So wait for a structure to form. So do not take any trades now, guys. The market should give some structure. Okay, so do not enter into long trades like it giving green candles. Okay, so wait for the market to give some structure. So it opened a huge gap down. Okay, it might fill this gap, or else it can collect the liquidity on the downside. So before it collecting the liquidity, it will always gives you this signal on which side it is going to collect the liquidity. So wait for the market structure to form. Okay, do not take any trades right away. So up to 10:30 a.m. the market will be more volatile. Good morning, Sai. Good morning. Sir, my view, Bank Nifty will move upside because Nifty open at nearby demand. But some may expect retracement or pullback from previous day high. Yes, so it is still not touched the demand zone. So Nifty also on the upside only. So wait for the retracement. So let the market be. So we can see some of the concepts in smart money concept. Okay, so we have smart money concepts: break of structure, change of character, supply and demand, order block. So we can see one by one. Today we can see break of structure and change of character. What is break of structure and change of character? Okay, so suppose the market is going like this in uptrend. Okay, in an uptrend, so this is higher low, this is higher high, again this is a higher low, this is a higher low, it's a higher high, this is higher low, higher high, higher low. So breaking this higher high is called a break of structure. Okay, again this is called a break of structure. Again this is called a break of structure. Okay, so it is breaking the structure. It is not giving any change of character. It just breaks the higher highs and it is moving in a upside direction. Okay, so suppose for a downtrend, how will be the break of structure? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, suppose for downtrend, what is break of structure? This one we are seeing here, right? It is breaking this lower low, right? Lower low and keeping another new lower low. This is called a break of structure. Okay, again this is called a break of structure. Again this is called a break of structure. It is breaking the structures to form a downtrend. Okay, this is for uptrend, this is for downtrend. Now what is change of character? Change of character, market is in uptrend. Okay, and breaking this higher low, this is called a change of character. Again it switched to downtrend. This point is called a change of character. Okay, this is a change of character, breaking this higher low to form a new lower low. Okay, so it says that I am switching to downtrend. Okay, this is called as a change of character. Mark here. Okay, this is called a change of character. These are the break of structure. So suppose in a downtrend to uptrend, how will be the change of character? It is coming in a downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, breaking this lower high and keeping a new lower high. It is called as a change of character in an uptrend. This is change of character. From downtrend, it is changing to uptrend. Okay, it break the previous swing low, swing high. This is a higher high. Okay, it kept a higher low and broke this higher high. So this is the change of character in downtrend from to uptrend. So what is order block and supply? So order block, so before order block we can see supply and demand. Okay, what is supply? Supply means in a, suppose if it is giving a change of character here, right? we will have the supply zone. Supply zone is called a resistance, in other words. Okay, so supply zone is the last green candle in this top, okay, which triggered this change of character. Mark that green candle low and high, okay, that will be becoming as a supply zone. Okay, always a supply or demand zone, it should break a structure or give a change of character. Okay, you can see here also there will be demand. So this is demand, so it is giving a break of structure, right? So that will be considered as a demand. So there are priority wise demand, so which is demand and which is supply, you can understand now, right? Breaking this structure, a supply or demand should possess a change of character or give a break of structure. Only then it will be considered as a demand or supply. Okay, before that, if it is having any imbalance is what, if you guys know, I can teach again. Okay, this is one candle. Okay, this is the second candle. So this is a third candle. So this candle low, this candle, first candle high, doesn't have any connection, right? So this is called as an imbalance, guys. So market will collect this imbalance. Okay, suppose these three candles are here. Okay, market have an order block here. Okay, it will have an order block at this zone. Market will consider this demand zone only because it is having imbalance. With an imbalance itself, it is having a order block. So market will surely come to this order block and go again. Okay, for without imbalance, what is without imbalance? Let's see what is without imbalance. How will be the candles without imbalance? This is first candle, this is a second candle, so this is a third candle. So the third candle will have a wick, at least a wick on the first candle's high. Okay, this is not a imbalance. Okay, that imbalance is already filled by the third candle. Okay, this is not an imbalance. If there is no wicks and the wick is just here and we have the imbalance here, okay, that is called as an imbalance. So hope you guys understand, guys. So these are the basic for the smart money concepts: break of structures, change of characters, supply and demand. So we will see in detail in our upcoming classes. So this is just a basic awareness video. So hope you guys understand. So if any doubts, you can put on our comments, so I'll be helpful to answer. Thank you, guys. So I can show you some live examples. Yesterday, how I marked this liquidity, or how I marked this supply zone. Okay, go to 5 minutes. How I marked this supply zone. So it given a change of character. Okay, you can see here. or you can consider it as a break off structure. Okay, it given a break off structure. Okay, so we can consider this supply zone for a reversal. Okay, this is how we marked yesterday on this supply zone. We got this entry. So let's see if we are getting opportunities today. Today still this demand zone is not taken. So for marking the demand zone, you always need to mark the red candle. For marking the supply zone, you always need to focus on the green candle, last green candle. For marking the demand zone, the last red candle. Okay, keep in mind this, guys. Also note in your notepad as well. Supply and demand zone markings are crucial. Okay, either it gives a change of character or it should possess a break off structure. Either one should have a in supply or demand zone. Okay, so the market is still consolidating, so do not enter into any trades now. Okay, let's see if any opportunities today. So like I said, before the market moving in any direction, it will give you the signal. Okay, morning itself it gives you the signal, guys. At 10:33 it kept an equal high. Equal high means there is a liquidity in this top above this equal highs, so the market will surely come to collect this liquidity. Okay, that is the concept of placing a equal highs and equal lows. So suppose if they place equal lows here, market will surely come to collect those equal lows. So these trend lines are also liquidity, guys. So there are more ways to collect the stop losses or liquidity. Market will give you the signals before collecting the same. So it will either place a equal high or equal lows. If it is moving in upside direction, it will place an equal high. If it is moving in a downside direction, it will place a equal low. So just make a note of it. So these are some basic concepts in smart money concepts. So make sure you practice it, because smart money concept is only when you practice you will be thorough in it. Until and unless we will be not able to capture in it. So do have any doubts, put on your comments, guys. See, the BankNifty didn't give any change of character. Okay, it is just clearly moving in the upside direction. It should break this. Should break this low or this low or this low for a change of character. Only then we will be having a reversal. So as we discussed in this smart money concept, the change of character is happening only when it is keeping the lower low below this higher low. Okay, the market will again comes to collect this supply zone, because it given a change of character here. Okay, this supply zone only given a change of character, or it broke the structure. Okay, so the market will surely again come to this zone. So that's why we have to enter. We can target here. The stop loss is here. So demand and supply zone is better than support and resistance. Yeah, obviously support and resistance you will have huge stop loss. Okay, suppose you are marking this supply and demand zone, how much points you are having a stop loss? Only 12 points. So what is the reward you get? It is around 140 points. That's what we need to understand with support and resistance. Support and resistance is also important, but the stop loss is more. The benefit of smart money concept is only risk reward. Okay, the risk is only few points, but the reward is huge. It is only 10 or 5 points only the risk. Okay, the stop loss is only 10 or 5 points. What is the reward you get? 100, 200, 300 points. You can easily get captured all these setups before the support and resistance. So we are giving the intraday levels, right? Support and resistance. Okay, so suppose if you are taking trade here, so identifying this as a support zone. So what is your stop loss here? You don't know, right? It kept on equal, it kept broke this zone. So what will be the stop loss for this? You don't know. Either this zone or this zone. This is a target. So we do not know what is the target also until how much it will be going. Okay, so that is the drawback in supply and support and resistance. Whereas in supply and demand, you will be having the small stop loss and greater risk reward. Okay, that is the opportunity, guys, in smart money concepts. So identify the supply and demands correctly. So hope you will be successful one day. Okay, if any doubts, you can post it here. I will be glad to answer this. Like and watch, guys, like and watch. So also subscribe. So we are starting our smart money learning series once we reach 100 subscribers. So it is only free of cost. Okay, there is no payment needed. So do subscribe. So once we reach 100, so we'll be starting those series in YouTube live, and it will be only private, not public. So it will only be for the guys who will enroll first. So okay, I will post the details on the Telegram shortly. Can I explain about the liquidity part again? So what is liquidity in terms of I think yesterday we explained liquidity. Okay, liquidity is nothing but the stop loss. Okay, whenever you are entering into any trade, what is your stop loss? So that is the liquidity for the market. So suppose the market is in moving sideways. Okay, so where will be the stop loss here? Can anyone answer? If I am buying here, what will be the stop loss for me? Where will be the stop loss for me if I am buying here? Yes, downside. Yes, if I am buying here, my stop losses are this trend line. So if it is breaking this trend line, I will exit my trade, right? So market, what it does, it breaks this trend line. It will again move in this same direction as our target, and it will break the upside liquidity also. Okay, this is where the liquidity. So there are many ways to understand or spot the liquidity. Okay, so suppose market is moving like this. In an uptrend, okay, this is considered this as a trend line. Okay, so if I am buying here, what will be the stop loss for me? Or if I am buying here, what will be the stop loss for me? So it will be the obviously this trend line. If it is breaking this trend line, I will be exiting the trade. Correct? So market, what it does, it wanted breaks this trend line. and it will again move in the same direction. This is what the liquidity in the market. Market always collects the liquidity. Okay. What we do in smart money concept, if we have the supply zone here, okay, we know that this trend line is a liquidity. Okay, what the smart money players will do, they will take an entry here. Okay, they will consider the market will break the trend line liquidity and come to last. Okay, what is the stop loss for me? Only 7 points. What is the reward? 165 points. Only smart money players will understand this concept. Okay, some price action traders will enter if it is breaking here. Okay, suppose if it is breaking here, they will enter in the short trade. So what price action, what the market again does, it will move again in the same direction. Okay, that is what a drawback in the price action compared to the smart money concept. So let's see in detail, guys, once we start our sessions. So these topics will be covered in detail, so do not worry. Okay, hope you guys understand what we taught today. So if any doubts, you can put on your comments. Good morning, Vimal. Good morning. So we were speaking about smart money concepts. Hope you do rewind and watch those concepts. Guys, we can have an entry here. It is only a risk entry, so you can have an entry here. Okay, so we are expecting a reversal here to break the downside. So let's see. Take at 875. Okay, so this is a risk entry. So we expect a reversal, guys. So trade safely. So this is a risky trade. Okay, we expect a downside to break the day low. Yes, the stop loss is on the top red bar. Yes, a candle closure should be there above the top of the red bar, above the supply zone. Okay, what if the candle comes back down? If it comes back down, you can take an entry again. Okay, that is still valid. Guys, hope you guys entered. So it was a good entry. So let's see if it is breaking the day low. Still the bank nifty is not in the supply zone, so let's see. Yes, Sagar. Some will book, so that's why they moved up. Okay, some will get fear and book. Okay, so book your profits, guys. Safe can book profits. How much you have booked, Sagar? How much points you captured? Okay. You should take 19,900. You can see here what is the current spot price. 19,870. You should take 19,900 P. Okay, then you have had around 20 points captured. No problem. Yes. So you should always take the strike price above your spot price for a PE side. If it is for call side, you should take below. Yes, Sagar, yes. So it's already given a change of character. Okay, you can consider this as a change of character. Okay, it's already given a change of character. It again came to this supply zone. This is a supply zone. Okay, so we entered here. So now it can break the day low and take a demand on this zone, or either it can go to 19,700 levels. So wait for the resistance, or wait for the correct formation. Okay, the reason is correct. We had the supply zone and it already given a change of character here. Okay, so we had this supply zone. The what market done, it came back again to collect those supply and it fell down. Okay, now it need to break the day low and take a demand on this zone. So let's see. You are correct, sir. You are correct. Yes, yes, this is simple. Like and watch, guys. Like and watch. So do follow our Telegram channel for more updates. So we are providing the updates on Telegram only. Okay, make sure to join there. So okay guys, I'm ending the stream. So follow our Telegram channel for updates more. So we are expecting a reversal today, so levels will be updated on Telegram. Okay.